G'day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Financial News Network for the 1st of May on behalf of AxiTrader. Okay, well, it was a pretty quiet session overnight, not an awful lot going on. The euro's a little bit softer. Concerns over Spain continue. It's officially in recession now after the release of the GDP number in Europe overnight, and that combined with the French and Greek elections that are happening in the coming week really put a cap on the top of the euro. But having said that, the soft US data continues, and the US dollar is really unable to make any decent upside. Sterling had a good start to the day, went up to 163, but that's returned now to 162.20. It's sitting above trend line support there and going nowhere very fast really. If it goes below 162, we might see a bit of a dip, and we get the manufacturing PMI later on today out of the United Kingdom, so that'll give it a little bit of direction. The yen was stronger yesterday after the disappointment from the BOJ, really, where they eased by really what is considered the minimum amount of 5 trillion yen. Dollar yen's trading under 80. The BOJ won't be pleased, and neither will the Japanese government, so expect some jawboning there to start talking dollar yen up. Looking ahead, today's really all going to be about the Aussie. It's at 104.20 at the moment. It drifted off really over the last 24 hours from its 104.70 high. And direction really all depends on what the RBA do. 25 basis points is pretty much written in. Whether they go 50 or not remains to be seen, but certainly most of the economists seem to think 25 points is going to be it. Before then we get the Chinese manufacturing PMI. That's supposed to be a pretty good reading, so it should be supportive of the Aussie if anything. And if that's the case and the Aussie and the RBA only cut 25 points, I think we actually might even see the Aussie go a little bit higher. The PMI reading is supposed to be 53.6 after last month's 53.1. All up though, it looks to be a fairly quiet session. Japan and China are in today, but the rest of the week is going to be holidays for the Golden Week, and it's also May Day, so much of Europe's going to be out later on today. So don't look for too much, I don't think. Tonight, from the States, we get the ISM Manufacturing Index, so that might move the market around. It'll be pretty thin though, so just be careful of that. That aside, there's not really much else to report. So you know, if you need to look at a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, as usual, go to the website. It's www.fxcharts.com.au. Aside from that, just remember all the outlooks mentioned here are a personal view only. They're not meant to be used as trading advice, so please don't do so. That's it. Other than that, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.